Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find app management. Then let's tap on special app access, and at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so install unknown apps. And right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So let's tap on Chrome, for example, and tap on the switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can do it for all other apps, so just tap on it and tap on the switcher, and the same situation if you want to remove previously granted permissions. So simply tap on the app and tap on the switcher, and after getting back, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.